Hey everyone, it's Taylorverse, and welcome back to Animal Crossing New Leaf. 3D was kinda on slightly. I was fucking with some eyes there. Alright. Hello there, Mayor Taylor. And fuck, it's Wednesday, yada yada. Let's get started, yes. Wonderful, let me get you set up. Come in. Okay, all set. Oh, that's right. Someone new has moved in today. Okay. Marshall, that's right. And I have a house. Look at that little thing. Let's go check out this. It's adorable. What? It can't be. On the day I move in, I meet the great Taylor? I'm really glad to meet the gal who's helping make this town such a cool place to live. That's why I came. Buck is like a magnet for cool people now. It drew me all the way here. Awesome to know you, Taylor. I hope I live up to your vision of what fuck is all about. He's so cute. Oh, I love him. Let's go to town. Fuck all these apples. Let's go to town. Oh, there's Sahara. Why am I going this way to go to town? This is not the way to town. What's going on? I'm selling some of my things to my fans. Are you interested in buying a washing machine? No. Don't want a damn washing machine. This is the way to town. Apples. Apples everywhere. Alright. Oh, hey. Ciao. What, you wanted to talk to me? You out shopping today? That's it? Fine. Did I hear construction? Whoa! Big watermelon. What the fuck is that? A table? What's this? Oh, it's a microscope. No, I don't want any of this shit today. Please have good clothes today, damn it to hell. Construction. Hello, welcome to the Handmade Fashion Palace of the one and only Able Sisters. Let's talk to Sable. Sorry about that. She always gets like that whenever she's focused on something. Oh, hey, Antonio. Getting sized for some new sweatpants. What's the latest? Clothes are all about mobility. If you have the most mobility on the battlefield, you win. Is this a camo dress? No, it's a tee. I don't like it. Damn it. I'm finna just get this so I don't have to wear this damn polka dot bullshit. Alright. Yeah. Oh, I meant to have them put on. Alright. Well, we got something. I would have rather had red glasses to match me. But they're cute. What's that? Oh, it's that it's available. Yes. Get off my screen. Let's see about upgrading our home. Your home has now been built, yes? What do you think? Your house is now the stuff of dreams, And now the numbers. I deducted your ground payment, leaving a total of... That's the total amount of your paltry little loan. A mere trifle, really, yes. You don't pay me directly at the post office. There's no such schedule. Pay the loan off whenever you're able. One more thing, we do require that all homeowners become a member of the Happy Home Academy. They'll stop by from time to time to give your home an in-depth inspection. A very good one. An inspection is a comprehensive look at your room and furniture layout, the hygiene level, etc. If you're given high marks, you might receive a wonderfully elegant commemorative prize. They'll schedule the inspections, and there's nothing for you to worry about. No worries at all. What else? Members, you see, also gain access to the home HH home HH showcase behind the shopping district. Once you've received a letter that confirms your membership, you may visit the showcase at any time. Very good. Please do come to see me if you wish to discuss further renovations. Nah. Let's go ahead and pay off that bullshit. Because, I have the money. All those in this account have been paid in full. Thank you and have a nice day. Awesome. I finished paying off my home loan. And then we go back and we get a bigger home. Fruit fly. It's Sailor, so good to see you. Thanks much for paying your home loan in full. Very good, yes. I always had faith that you would fulfill the terms of our little agreement. Now then, does your home not seem a little teensy bit on the wee side? Yes. I have to say, I do feel like a slightly larger home would suit you much better. More room for furniture and lights, and for gratuitous swinging of elbows, too. If you're interested, please let me know at any time. I'm interested, bitch. I want to expand. Oh, let's do it. Blah. 98,000 bells. Oh shit. Ugh. Let's take a look at the tree. Yep. She's growing nicely. Oh, the train. Okay, let's visit people. It's been a pleasant day today, hasn't it? What did you want? Let's talk. I don't know if you believe in luck, but I sure do. There are certain items I know are lucky. I have to carry one around at all time. It just happens my lucky object goes really well with most of my outfits. What a coincidence. So if you find yourself in need of a lucky break or two, think about picking up a lucky charm. I'd recommend one that matches your eye color. You seem chipper as always. So what's on your mind? Do you hang out with Sprinkle much? I'd like to be better friends with her. Sometimes I make cookies and take them over to her house so we can have an excuse to sit around and chat. You're adorable. Let's go check out these assholes over here. Hello? Was that somebody? No, it was a tree. Great, I'm losing my shit. Alright, so that means Draco's not home. Oh, he's right here. Hey there, so what can I do for you? I read that eating fruit can prevent scurvy. I don't know exactly what scurvy is, but I don't want it. Would you do me a favor and bring me some fruit? Any kind of fruit. Alright. Trees, fruit. Alright, come back here, bitch. You come back here, bitch. Down the hatch. Yep, that sure was tasty. There's nothing like a good piece of fruit. Alright, here, take my pawn for your trouble. Like a chess pawn? The fruit tastes even sweeter because you gave it to me. That means you're not home either. Ciao. Oh, you're in the shopping district. I talked to you, it's okay. Let's see here. Oh. Nice afternoon. What's up? I heard you had a pawn. For my grape tank? Sure, I don't even want the pawn. Probably don't want the grape tank either, but we'll try it out. I'll take good care of it. I hope we can trade again some other time. Let's see what this looks like. Oh. I didn't think anything would ever be worse than this. But dear God. Alright, Sarah. Sprinkle's house is up there. My house, and then you. Antonio, I've talked to. So we're good. Let's go to town hall. See what our percentage of approval is. Hi, Ms. Mayor. Is there something I can help you with? Development permit. You'd like to know how much progress you made toward getting the development permit? Well, you already had a house. According to recent approval rating is 80%. Why don't you sell some stuff at the recycle shop? Why wouldn't it sell? It's much better than environment than throwing it away. Plus, recycling was a good example to the rest of the town. People will love you for it. There you have it. If you follow that advice, you'll have a 100% rating in no time. Can I sell this damn shirt? If I can sell this damn shirt there, I'm just sure. But I think it's only like furniture items. Shit. Quit that. Motherfucker. Ugh. Flea market. Put it on display. Welcome to. What would you like to sell? This shirt. How much? Sure, 70 bells. Change the processor back. Just stand in front of me and get my attention. If your item sells, I'll put the money straight into your savings account at the post office. That covers everything. Hope we can find it a new home. Alright. Perfect. Tempting. Very tempting. But no. Alright. Let's get a look at the inside of the house now. Oh, how sweet and cute and nice. Oh, Isabel, you scared the shit out of me. Sorry to intrude, Mayor. I see your house is all finished. Congratulations. The lumber smell from a new house is so nice, isn't it? That reminds me, I brought over some wallpaper to celebrate your new home. Here you go. I forgot about the paw print wallpaper. I just now gave you in your pocket. Select it, choose it. I don't need the tutorial. I hope you have fun decorating your walls and floors with all the great designs out there. Dear, I forgot there's actually something else I need to tell you. When inside your home, you can press... you can... Yep, sure did know that. It's your home, you should take time to enjoy it from each and every angle. Well, I'll be going now. Thanks for having me. Okay. Give me that wallpaper, bitch. Yes. That shouldn't be in my fucking... Whatever. Good night, George. There's a ghost! Okay. I guess I can get rid of that lantern now. Anyway. That's gonna be it for today. We're gonna do a little shorter episode because I'm sick. And also, I doubt y'all want to see me grind for bells. So, I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.